How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm here today at MarineMax Venice, and I have the opportunity to give you a video walkthrough on a 2024 Sea Ray 290 SDX. This is the largest of the SDX lineup. It's going to start at 25, 27, and here's the 29. The number one thing to tell you that this is the 29 is this is the first one you can get with twin engines. This one's going to come equipped with twin Mercury 250s. These are in the white. Of course, you can get it in the black. But the nice thing is this is going to be the first one in the SDX lineup and the only one in the SDX lineup that's going to give you that joystick capabilities. The sun pad on the back of this boat, very similar to the 270 that we all know and love. A little bit bigger because it is a larger boat, and you're going to have a little bit wider of a swim platform. This one, a cool feature that it has similar to the SLX lineup, is going to have this drop-down swim patio over on the side. A great little swim ledge if you're hanging out at the sandbar or docked up in a cove on a lake. It's a nice, easy on and off the boat. Easy walkway right here, storage underneath that can be used as a cooler or anything like that. Great storage. Your door, and then you're going to have access to your fusion head unit up located on the helm. Stepping into the SDX, you're going to see a lot of similarities that you have on the 25 and the 27, such as your drop-down step, which is a nice feature if you're tied up to a dock, such as we are right now. It's a little bit higher. That step, you can step there easier on and off the boat. Fresh water over here at the transom, an additional one up in the bow. The boat is designed for family entertainment. A lot of room. Everybody can be a part of the conversation included, and everybody can be under the shade. Massive, massive headroom on this boat. However, this is a collapsible tower. It is a manual tower, but if you're in an area like Southwest Florida, you need to get under some lower bridges, or you're going to be a high and dry storage like we offer here at MarineMax Venice. It's nice to drop that tower to get you into a narrower spot, save some money. Over on the side of this one, you are going to have the option for a Kenyon cooktop. Kenyon's the same brand that we're going to have in all of our high-end yachts, and same as that's going to be on the SLX lineup. Kenyon cooktop, you're going to have a freshwater sink located here on the side, and below this one is going to be a storage compartment. You can opt for this to be a fridge on this boat, and a trash can receptacle located off to the side. This one is the stone gray interior. You'll notice that is the SDX due to the octagon stitching that they have in here. Each Sea Ray has its own branding. This one has that shape. The SLX is going to be your diamond pattern. This is the stone gray interior. You can get this boat in the stone gray as shown. You can do the white or ivory interior, or the dune mocha, which is their brown interior. Double wide helm seats on both sides. Both of them have bolsters, and both of them flip back, making everybody a part of that conversation in the back of the boat, like I mentioned earlier. Over here at your command station on this boat, you're going to have a massive single 12-inch Simrad. This is the new NSX Simrad. You're going to have your nice flush fusion head unit over here with the screen. Toggle switches on this instead of the rockers. I think it looks pretty cool, and they do light up when they're in use. 2 cup holders, and then as I mentioned earlier, you're going to have the joystick on this boat. With the joystick, you're going to have that auto track, autopilot, and that skyhook feature. Skyhook's great if you're coming into a marina, you need to wait. Instead of sitting there on the throttles forward and back, you can pop it into skyhook, hold your position for a little bit while you wait for a spot to open up or a bridge to clear. Easy control, everything within reach. This one does have trim tabs, as well as the VHF radio that is mounted below. That is from factory. Head similar to the 270 that we're familiar with, you're going to have a large head unit. This is the upgraded head, so you're going to have the nicer countertop in there, and it does have ventilation in the window. Lockable glove box. Let's take it into the bow. This is the largest bow, as this is the largest of the SDX series. You're going to have 2 nice drop-down armrests. Both of these seats are very wide to give you a comfortable seating position. But you can continue the conversation up in here. You can opt for a bow table in this boat to give yourself another seating area if somebody wants to be in the sun. A nice thing on the 290, similar to the 270, is you do now have the option for the windlass. So located up there, you're going to have your windlass with your manual crank, as your main controls are going to be located up at the helm. And again, you're going to have another fresh water up here to rinse that windlass off when you're done boating for the day, just like we have one back at the transom. Guys, this is the 290 SDX brought to you by Sea Ray. This is a 2024. It's located right here at MarineMax Venice. If you'd like to see more about this boat, come visit me. My name is Mike Ulrich. Thanks for watching.